Tonight, the information superhighway and one of its main thoroughfares, an online network called Internet.
Oh, that's
that little mark with the A and then the ring around it?
At.
And what about this internet thing? Do you know anything about that?
Hey everybody, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is VLHAVZ. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about what Web 3.0 is and what it means to you as a user. So what is Web 3.0? Web 3.0 is an internet powered by blockchain technology. Before I go into what Web 3.0 is, I would like to give you a rough overview of what Web 1.0 and what Web 2.0 is. The evolution of Web 1.0 was between 1991 to 2004. The internet back then was just read-only, which means that people only go to the internet to get information from it. There is no logins or website interactions involved. You just go there to get information and that was it. Web 1.0 was dominated by institutions, big corporations and the government agency, and the users of Web 1.0 were seen as a consumer because they only go there or they only go to the internet to consume information. Up until 2004 when Web 2.0 was introduced to the internet. From 2004 up till now, the internet has changed a lot, and one of the biggest change with Web 2.0 is the way it allowed people to interact with the internet. With Web 2.0, users were able to get information from web pages, and also web pages were able to get information back from the users. All those big centralized companies realized that they can sell the information they're getting from the users to advertisers or the people that wants to advertise on their platform. Which is why sometimes when you search for something on Facebook or when you search for something on Google, before you know it, you'll see the ads of that same thing on Facebook or Instagram. Web 2.0 lacks privacy due to the fact that those big centralized companies sold your data to big organizations or advertisers. For example, two people can view Facebook.com at the same time, but the feed post or the post they will see on their feed will be different. This is due to the fact that the kind of information Facebook gets from you, the kind of data Facebook gets from you, maybe by liking a post or by interacting with the post, maybe by commenting or following an hashtag on their webpage. So all those informations, they will get it from you and they will put in the record. If you have enjoyed what you have heard so far, consider subscribing to the channel to support the channel. Okay, let's move on. Now we have this new phase of the internet called Web 3.0, which is the main reason why I'm making this kind of video. Like I said earlier, Web 3.0 is an internet powered by blockchain technology. And you know, anything that has to do with blockchain brings decentralization. In Web 3.0, your digital identity is not 100% connected to your real life identity. This means that users can interact with the internet, they can download stuff, they can like posts, they can do whatever they want in the internet without it being traced back to you. In Web 3.0, nobody is collecting your data or selling your data to big organizations or advertisers to make billions or trillions from it. In Web 3.0, nobody is collecting or selling your data to big organizations or advertisers to make millions or trillions from it. So basically, some apps in Web 2.0 we will stop using some app in Web 2.0 and we'll be using some app in Web 3.0, which I will post maybe here or here. Web 3.0 comprises of Metaverse, NFT, and decentralization, basically the cryptocurrency in general, which is why you see Facebook rebranding themselves from being a social media company to being the one to build the world's Metaverse by rebranding or by changing their name from Facebook to Meta. So what does this mean to you as a user, and how can you make a lot of money with this kind of opportunity of Web 3.0? Well, I would say if you're already learning or you're educating yourself about cryptocurrency and the blockchain technology, you are an early adopter of Web 3.0. If you want to make millions from this kind of opportunity, you can make millions of dollars by looking at the Web 3.0 section of the cryptocurrency market, and you invest in crypto coin or tokens that are working towards building the Web 3.0. If you would like to know the kind of project or crypto coins that are working on building the Web 3.0, I will include a link for my Discord group in the description below so you can join and you can invest in those coins. This is not a financial advice. That's going to be the end of my video for today. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your family members or your friends so they can learn about the Web 3.0. This is going to be something big and you don't want to sleep on. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.
I gave you my heart.